welcome to Insight Knowledge. And today, percentage tips and tricks part 5 video. In this video, we are going to see how to use the successive percentage formula, and by using this successive percentage formula, we can solve the problems in just seconds. So let's see one by one with good examples. But before that, we are going to see what is the formula for successive percentage. Successive percentage is equal to plus or minus x plus or minus y plus or minus x into y divided by 100. Students, see, I have written both the signs plus and minus, and I have also say where you have to use the positive sign and where we have to use the negative sign. For if there is a increment in salary, if there is a tax, if there is a profit, you have to use the positive sign. Okay, and if in a problem they have given decrement in salary or decrement in some numbers, and if they have given some discount or if there is a loss, you have to use the negative sign, right? We see all these in clear with some examples. Example 1. A person's salary increased by 20 percentage and then it is decreased by 15 percentage. What is the overall percentage change in his salary, right? See students, always take the first percentage as x and then coming percentage as y. Okay, so here x is equal to 20 percentage and y is equal to 15 percentage, right? For x, what I have given, it is increased by 20, so you have to use plus x, and for y it is given decreased by 15, so you have to write down minus y. While applying in formula, you have to write successive percentage is equal to plus x minus y. Plus into minus will give minus, right? So write it down minus x into y divided by 100. And by solving, you will get plus 20 minus 15 minus 300 by 100. 300 means 20 into 15 is 300, right? So by reducing, you will get plus 20 minus 15 is plus 5 and minus 3, because 300 by 100 is 3, right? So plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2. Here note it down, here it is plus 2. So the overall percentage change in his salary is increased by 2 percentage. Are you clear, students? Let's go to the next example. Example 2. Raji bought groceries for rupees 9,000. She gets a discount of 10 percentage and paid tax for 20 percentage. So what is the total amount she paid for the groceries? Solution. See, first left out the amount, okay? Just look out the percentages. What they have given, she get discount of 10 percentage. Discount means you have to use negative sign. So x is equal to minus 10 percentage and paid tax for 20 percentage. For tax you have to use positive sign. So y is equal to plus 20 percentage. You clear with this? Okay. By applying in successive percentage formula, percentage is equal to minus 10 plus 20 minus x into y means 10 into 20, and minus into plus gives minus, so minus 200 divided by 100. By reducing it, we get plus 10 minus 2, which is plus 8. What does this plus 8 denotes? It denotes she has to pay extra 8% of the amount he paid for the groceries. So how much she bought groceries? It is for rupees 9,000, right? So she has to pay 8% of 9,000 extra along with the original amount. Okay, so 8% of 9,000. To find out, you have to find what is 1%. 1% of 9,000 is 90, and for 8%, 8 into 90, which is 720. So the total amount she paid for the groceries is 9,000 plus 720, which is 9,720. You clear with this? Good. So go to example 3. What is the single discount equivalent to the two successive discounts of 30% and 40%? Here see students, they have given the discounts 30 and 40. You should not say blindly 30 plus 40, so 70%. That's not right. See, if you are buying a product for 100 rupees, okay, and you are getting 30% discount, then you have to pay 70 rupees to the shop, right? And after this, you are getting 40% discount. See, you are not getting 40% discount for 100 rupees. You are getting 40% discount for 70 rupees. So by getting 40 percentage, you have to pay 42 rupees to that shop. Okay, by using the successive percentage formula, see there are two discounts they have given, 30 percentage and 40 percentage. We represent discount in negative sign, right? So write as minus 30 minus 40 plus 1200 divided by 100. By reducing it, we get minus 70 plus 12, which is equal to minus 58. See, 100 minus 42, which is 58. In both the method, we get the same answer. You got it, students. You can solve either by this method or that method. It's your choice. And if you get three successive discounts, 30, 40, and after that, you are getting 10 percentage. For this, what you have to do is take the resultant percentage for the first two successive discounts and take that discount as X and third discount as Y and just apply in the successive percentage formula. Okay, here take 58 percentage as X and 10 percentage as Y. That's it. So minus 58 minus 10 plus 580 divided by 100. By reducing it, we get minus 68 plus 5.80, and the last result is minus 62.20 percentage in total. You got it, students? Are you clear? The next thing we are going to see is how to apply the successive percentage formula in compound interest. Suppose if they have given compound interest is equal to 20 percentage per annum, what is the compound interest for 2 years? Here, see students, in the question they have given 20 percentage per annum. For each year, it is 20 percentage. So, we are going to take x is equal to y is equal to 20 percentage. You got it? By applying in successive percentage formula, percentage is equal to plus 20 plus 400 divided by 100. By reducing, we get 40 plus 4, which is equal to 44 percentage. If they ask to find compound interest for 3 years, then it's very simple. We already see similar case, right? Take this 44 percentage as X and per annum compound interest is 20 percentage. So for third year also it is 20 percentage only. So take the 20 percentage as Y. By applying in formula, we get percentage is equal to plus 44 plus 20 plus 880 divided by 100, which is equal to 64 plus 8.80, which is equal to 72.80. You got it, students? And that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I see you in another video. Until then, take care.